do. I was actually just asking information with regards to the Hawk Wad 270 to get that turbine, power source turbine. And it can get roughly around about an 8-minute flight time on that quite safely. 10 minutes at a push, but roughly about 8 minutes or so before I really make sure I've got 6 litres of fuel. It comes in now, hopefully. Beautiful, Adam. Good amount of broadcast going on, that's well done. Let's go lock hard there, flying the Hawk jet.